The cucumber revolution. Why everyone's going crazy for these new organic varieties. What if I told you? The next big thing in gardening isn't a tomato, not a new flower, but a cucumber that's changing the game for sustainable farming? Yep, the humble cucumber is going organic, seedless, and seriously high-tech. Stick around till the end, because the secret behind this green revolution might just change the way you garden forever. Hey growers! Welcome back to the HORTIKNOW channel, your go-to space for all things green, clean, and garden keen. Today, we're digging into the juicy rise of organic and sustainable cucumber varieties, the ones that not only taste better, but grow smarter. From chemical-free fields to high-efficiency greenhouses, these cucumbers aren't just food. They're a movement. The organic boom. Let's start with why organic cucumbers are suddenly in such high demand. It's not just a hipster trend or a health food fad. It's a soil-deep shift in how we think about food. Organic cucumbers grow without synthetic fertilizers or pesticides, meaning healthier soil, happier pollinators, and cucumbers that actually taste like cucumbers. Crazy idea, right? And get this. According to recent market data, demand for organic produce is growing nearly twice as fast as conventional produce. Consumers are literally voting with their wallets for clean food and cleaner farms. My take? Once you taste an organic cucumber straight off the vine, crisp, juicy, and full of life, you'll never go back to the waxy supermarket kind again. The rise of seedless and specialty varieties. Now let's talk about the fun part. Specialty varieties. Seedless cucumbers are leading the charge. And it's not just for convenience. These sleek, smooth skin types, often grown in greenhouses, don't require pollination, making them perfect for consistent, year-round harvests. And gardeners are going wild for the minor or specialty cucumbers, from the lemon cucumber with its round yellow fruit, to the crunchy Persian and the snappy mini gherkin. They're like the craft beers of the cucumber world, unique, local, and full of character. Laughs. I once grew a batch of lemon cucumbers, and my neighbor thought I was harvesting alien eggs. Little did she know, those aliens ended up in the best summer salad she's ever had. Sustainable and greenhouse grown, the future of farming. But here's where it gets really exciting. Sustainable and greenhouse-grown cucumbers are reshaping agriculture itself. Greenhouses let farmers control light, temperature, and moisture, using up to 80% less water and producing up to 10 times more yield on the same area of land. Imagine cucumbers growing in the middle of winter, in cities or even on rooftops. Some operations even use biological pest control, introducing ladybugs instead of pesticides. It's like nature teaming up with technology. And yes, that's the future of food. Fresh, local, and grown responsibly. Why this matters and how you can join in. So what does all this mean for us home gardeners? It means you can be part of the movement. Start with organic compost. Choose seedless or specialty cucumber varieties. Experiment with trellises or mini greenhouses. Every sustainable choice you make adds up. Fewer chemicals, healthier soil, and a tastier harvest. And here's a fun fact. Cucumbers are over 95% water, making them the ultimate garden hydration heroes. So next time you're gardening in the sun, eat your water. Remember that cucumber I showed you at the start? The one that looked almost unreal? Well, it wasn't a lab experiment. It was a sustainably grown, organic, seedless cucumber from a local grower using closed-loop hydroponics. The future of farming is already here, and it's deliciously green. So, if you learned something new or felt inspired to grow your own organic cucumbers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the HORTIKNOW channel, because together, we're not just growing plants, we're growing knowledge.